Now let's start counting by one, starting at 305.
305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 315, 320, 325, 330, 335, 340, 350, 370,
60,
370, 380, 390,
400,
425, 450, 475,
500. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Josiah, 6. Thank you. All right. Let's look up at the top of the board for the 13 addition family. All right. Repeat after me. 0 plus 13 equals 13.
0 plus 13 equals 13.
Now you read them.
1 plus 12 equals 13. 2 plus 11 equals 13. 3 plus 10 equals 13. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 11 plus 2 equals 13. 12 plus 1 equals 13. 13 plus 0 equals 13.
Now, which ones do we already know? That's easy. We already know. We don't have to spend a lot of time on it.
0 plus 13
0 plus 13 equals
equals 13.
13. What else?
12 plus 1 equals 13.
12 plus 1. We know that already. Emma? 10 plus 3 equals 13. That's an easy one. Deja?
1 plus 12 equals 13.
Right. The twin of
12 plus 13.
12 plus 1. All right. What else?
7 plus 6 equals 13. I didn't know that.
Not that one. But that's good if you know that already.
13 plus 0 is 13.
Right. 13 plus 0. What else is easy?
Ooh. 3 plus 10 equals 13.
Yes. The twin of what? 10 plus 3. Caleb?
9 plus 4 equals 13.
No, that might be one we have to work on. Jordan?
2 plus 11 equals 13.
Yes, we should know 2 plus 11 equals 13. And we should know what, Hannah?
11 plus 2 equals 13.
Right. So, really, all we have to work on next week and memorizing are what? 4 plus 9 equals
13.
5 plus 8 equals 13. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. And 9 plus 4 equals 13. Now look at those. Do we really have to learn 6? Or do we really only need to learn 3 and just remember the twin?
3.
3 and do what?
And this makes the twin and
Right, and we know the other one. If we memorize 4 plus 9 equals 3, then we already know that what?
4 plus 2.
9 plus 4 equals 13. I'm sorry, I said 3. If we know 5 plus 8 equals 13, then we already know that what?
8 plus 5 equals 13.
Very good. And if we know 6 plus 7 equals 13, we automatically know that
7 plus 6 equals 13.
Right, so we only need to memorize how many? 1, 2, 3. Good. So we're going to work on those next week as our drills. All right. Now, let's see who I want. Bison, come measure line A for me in inches. In inches. Why are you starting there? Start at the beginning of the ruler. The beginning of the ruler to the beginning of the line. Good. That's not the beginning of the line. Look at this little bitty space you have left. Push it over. Right there. Now where does it stop at? 3 is right here. I still have line left. 4 is way over here. There's no line here. It stops right in the middle of 3 and 4. What's in the middle? What's in between 3 and 4? 3 and a half. And how do we write 3 and a half? 3 and 1 half. All right. Thank you, Bison. 3, the number 3. The number 3 tells us how many whole inches we have. A whole inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, whole inches. So the number 3 tells us what?
Whole inches.
Right, whole inches. And this fraction, what is a fraction? Is a fraction a whole or something?
No.
What's a fraction?
A half.
Not a half. We could have more, 1/4. That's not half, and that's a fraction. What is a fraction?
Well, some numbers like close to fraction like 1/2, 1/4, and 1/3.
Right, and they are what?
They are fractions.
I know they're fractions. But what is a fraction? A fraction is Is this a whole circle?
No. It's like a half or something.
Not a half, but
1/4.
no.
Oh, no. Piece.
A piece of a whole. Look, that's a piece. And look, this is another what?
Piece.
And this is another
Piece.
and this is another
Piece.
And when I put them all together, I have a what? I have a whole. I have a whole. But without this piece, is it whole?
No.
This is a what? Fraction. This is a fraction of the
Piece.
No, a fraction of the whole. Is this a whole?
No.
No. It's a what?
Half.
Piece. It's a piece. It's a piece of the whole. So a fraction is a
Piece of something.
right. But in this case, it's a piece of a whole number. Number. It's a piece of a whole number. Now, this number 3 by itself is a what? Whole number. And this fraction is a piece of a number. Okay, by itself it's called a what?
Fraction.
Fraction. And by itself it's called a whole number. But when I put them together to make 3 and a half, it's called a mixed number. Say mixed number.
Mixed number.
Why do you think we call a whole number with a fraction next to it a mixed number? Why do you think we call it a mixed number?
Because it's mixed up the numbers.
What's mixed?
The number 3. No, the half.
Okay, what else? What do you think?
Because 1 and 2 equals 3.
No. If this is a whole number by itself, and this is a fraction by itself, but it's written alone,
And when I put them together to make one number, it's called a mixed number. Why is it called a mixed number?
Because it's half of 3.
Oh, I think people, it's so simple. When you take 2 ingredients, eggs, I want to make some pancakes. And I have my pancake batter and I put some water in it. Now alone, without the water, is it pancake batter?
No.
It's powder. It's just a powder, huh?
Yeah.
And the water. Can I just make pancakes with water?
No.
I need the 2 to be what?
Mixed
together. So if I want to say I have 2.5 inches, my line is 2.5 inches long, I need to write that with the what? Whole number and a
Mixed
fraction. And together they're called a
Mixed number.
because I'm mixing a whole number with a fraction. I'm mixing a whole number with a fraction, so it's called a mixed number. It's called a mixed number. Good. Now what about this? What number is that?
5.5.
What is it, Dyson?
5.5.
And is that a whole number or a mixed number or a fraction?
Mixed number.
It's a mixed number. Why is it a mixed number? Because I have what?
You have a fraction and a whole number.
Very good. To read mixed numbers, we say the word and to separate the whole number from the fraction. This mixed number is read 5 and a half. 5 and
A half.
we don't say 5 half. We say 5 and a half because we're mixing the 2 together. All right, so let's read these other mixed numbers.
4.5. 8.5. 6.5. 12.5.
Very good. Make sure when we say them, we have to say the word. What word do we have to say in between them?
And.
And a half.
And. We have to make sure we say the word and. Now look at page 150. Get out page 150. Wait.
Did you tear out one?
It was supposed to be already torn out.
See, it says 150.
It's 150. It's not 150. 150.
Oh, yeah, 150.
Okay. Look at the top. What does it say? A what?
A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction.
Look at those cups on your paper. How many whole cups do you see? Whole cups.
3.
How many whole cups?
2.
2 whole cups. And what is that other one? It's what? Half. So if I want to say how much water I have all together right there, what do I say I have?
A half.
2.5 what?
In cups.
Cups of
Water.
water. Okay, now let's look at the pizza. How many whole pizzas do you have?
2.
And what's the other piece? What's the other piece? It's called the what? Half. So how much do we have all together to make? 2.5. And that's a whole number, mixed number, or fraction?
Mixed number.
Mixed number. So circle how much you have. Now look at the money. Count it to yourself. What'd you circle, Holly? Very good. I have 3. That's 3. I have 3 whole dollars and a what?
And a half.
And a $0.50. All right, now you get ready to pass out the rulers. You can stop it.